gearheads, buckle up, because we're about to unleash the ultimate compact performance weapon, the 2024 BMW M2. This isn't just a sports car, it's a fire-breathing, adrenaline-pumping monster ready to rip your face off with a smile. Today, we're diving deep into its wild exterior and driver-focused interior, so get ready to lose yourself in this automotive masterpiece. Exterior, sharper than ever. First things first, the M2's exterior is an instant head-turner. It's like BMW took a classic, aggressive sports car design and dialed it up to 11. We're talking bulging fenders, a menacing low stance, and those iconic kidney grills that seem to snarl at the very idea of speed limits. Sharp lines and sculpted surfaces, every crease and curve screams performance, from the aggressive front splitter to the muscular haunches in the rear. Signature M details, from the quad exhaust to the M-specific mirrors and side skirts, it's clear this is no ordinary 2 Series. A range of colors to unleash your inner beast. Choose from bold shades like Sao Paulo yellow or Toronto red, or go for stealthy sophistication with mineral gray metallic. Interior, cockpit of pure focus, but the real magic happens inside. The M2's cockpit is all about putting you in complete control. Alcantara-wrapped M Sport seats hug you like a second skin, while the thick-rimmed M steering wheel feels perfect in your hands. Driver-focused layout, everything is angled towards you. From the infotainment system to the perfectly placed buttons and dials. Digital cluster that keeps you informed. Get real-time feedback on everything from lap times to G-forces, all displayed on a crisp, customizable digital instrument cluster. Tech that enhances the experience. Head-up display, Harman Kardon sound system, and the latest BMW iDrive system keep you connected and entertained even while pushing the limits. Behind the wheel, where unleashed horses meet asphalt, but the true essence of the M2 lies under the hood. A twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter straight-six engine unleashes a beastly 453 horsepower and 550 Nm of torque. 0-60 in 4.1 seconds. That's just an appetizer. This car begs to be pushed, to be unleashed on a winding mountain road or a deserted racetrack. Responsive handling. Feel every flick of the wrist as the M2's sharp steering and adaptive suspension carve through corners. Braking that inspires confidence. Hold yourself back from the edge with ferocious Brembo brakes that bite like a cobra. Sounds that make your heart race. The M2's exhaust symphony is a guttural roar that announces your arrival with authority. Conclusion. Untamed Bavarian beast. The 2024 BMW M2 is more than just a car. It's an experience, a primal connection between driver and machine. It's a raw, uncompromising beast that will leave you breathless, grinning from ear to ear. So, if you're looking for a car that pushes the boundaries, that begs to be unleashed, then look no further than the M2. It's not just a car, it's a legend in the making. Call to action. Let us know your thoughts on the M2 in the comments below. Subscribe for more adrenaline-pumping car content, and don't forget to hit that like button if you're ready to unleash your inner beast.